Learning English can feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. There are some effective techniques that can make the process not only easier, but also enjoyable. Let's dive into a few of them. First, immersing yourself in English content is one of the best ways to learn. This means surrounding yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to music, or tune into podcasts in English. Choose genres you love, whether it's action films or romantic comedies. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more you'll pick up on vocabulary, pronunciation, and even cultural nuances. And don't just passively watch. Try to repeat phrases or summarize what you've seen. This active engagement will help reinforce your learning. Next up, let's talk about language apps. There are countless apps designed to help you learn English, and many of them are incredibly user-friendly. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone offer interactive lessons that can fit into your daily routine. Set aside just 10 to 15 minutes a day to practice. These bite-sized lessons can make a big difference over time. Plus, many of these apps use gamification to keep you motivated. You can earn points, level up, and even compete with friends. It's a fun way to stay engaged. Now, here's a technique that might sound a bit quirky: talking to yourself in English. It may feel strange at first, but it's a fantastic way to practice. Describe your day, narrate your actions, or even have imaginary conversations. This helps you think in English and improves your fluency. You can practice pronunciation and experiment with new vocabulary without the pressure of an audience. It's a safe space to make mistakes and learn from them. Finding a conversation partner is another effective strategy. Look for someone who is also learning English or a native speaker who wants to learn your language. You can meet through language exchange websites or local meetups. Regular conversations will help you build confidence and improve your speaking skills. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. The more you practice speaking, the more natural it will become. Lastly, setting small goals and rewarding yourself can be incredibly motivating. Instead of aiming to be fluent overnight, break your learning into manageable chunks. Maybe you want to learn 5 new words a day or finish a chapter in your language app each week. Celebrate these small victories. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a favorite snack or a night out. These rewards will keep you motivated and remind you that progress is being made. Incorporating these techniques into your routine can transform your English learning experience. Remember, it's all about consistency and finding what works best for you. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of learning a new language.